At least you learn new things every day too, you know. That's good.
Yeah. It's interesting yun eh.
Yeah.
True.
But yeah, at least you also like strive to be better every day, you know.
Yeah.
I think studying is like meant for you, right? Like parang if like what we learn is like more of your interest, you know, because like parang like in school, parang like most of what we learn is not like interest to like everyone.
I think high school just like gives you a lot of like experiences on different things, and then you like have to find which one is like your thing.
Yeah, that's true. Actually. Cause yeah, a lot of the things we learn in high school, like we don't like really use it. Right?
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, going to school made me realize I don't like school.
Yeah, all good, bro. Nothing wrong. No, yeah. School's not for everyone, after all. Yeah.
And like what I'm doing naman, like what I'm pursuing, it's not like I need a degree for it. Like business modeling. I don't
Yeah,
think
that's
you really sorry, my mom's calling.
No worries.
Hello, mom. Oh. So, hintayin nyo na lang ako. Yeah. Pero bukas na yun kasi ang dami natin gagawin. Paano mo gawin yan habang nag-usap? Yan, mamaya. Yun. Hindi, tapos si Simon pala, dadalhin niyo na lang ako sa house. Nasa car ako ngayon. On the way ako home.
Hi, auntie.
Hi daw, sabi ni Simon. Hindi, kaya nga, wait for me na lang there. Malapit ba sa Robmag yung Capital Commons? Ma'am. So mag-angkas na lang ako papunta doon. Si Simon kasi, yung plan is magda-drop off siya sa Robmag, right?
Yes.
And then after Robmag, dapat dadalhin niya ako sa house. So sabay na lang kami ni Simon mag-drop sa Robmag. Ganun ba? Ang gulo ng plan, kala ko cancelled no. So, see you guys there. BGC pa rin. Oo nga na-check ko nga mura lang Pero wala, umulan na rin Si Aya, sama ba? Sige. Okay ba? Sige, update na lang kita, ma'am. Okay. Bye.
So, is there a new plan?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna book from Robmag because the plan to go to Pasig got tuloy. So gulo.
See, parang my friend is gonna be later naman to Robmag. So yeah. So okay lang.
Si Vivian ba yan?
You know Lionel Ching?
Lionel Ching?
Yeah, like
that sounds so familiar though.
Yeah, he's our batchmate. Yeah, Xavier.
Yeah, that sounds so familiar.
Yeah. Where he's gonna be later in, cause yeah. So you'll book now from our bank? Yeah. Going home?
Nope, I'm gonna go to Pasig.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I should just book from BGC. But like, whatever.
Sorry, Rob.
Para your, si Kuya won't be hassled na rin. to like go somewhere else.
Thanks for being considerate. Means a
Yeah,
lot.
of course, man.
Good. Sorry, Pasig is not necessarily near Robag.
Yeah, nga, it's fine though.
Yeah, I know.
I actually enjoy going on Angkas. Like I love it. I prefer it rather than Grab.
I see.
I like for me, I enjoyed like the advent. I find it like an adventure. Because you're like
Yeah.
behind the motor and you're like you're just like making angkas.
Hold on, it's raining though, bro.
Kaya nga eh. But I don't think it will be raining in Robag.
But thing is, like, you'll get wet though, cause yeah, like of course you'll be in the road, right, going to Pasig. So okay lang.
Yeah, I'm used to the rain.
Okay. Baka we'll get to Robang like 7:15 pa, cause I'm in traffic.
Really? It can take an hour.
It's good, yeah.
It's kind of rush hour, isn't it?
Yeah. One time it took me an hour and a half to get to my ex's place. She's in QC right now. So,
Oh.
ex. So you always speak Filipino in your house now?
Actually, I'm Taglish now. We're Taglish. Like,
Yeah.
sa house.
Oh, I see.
Kayo, you English eh.
Taglish pero more of English. Yeah. Yeah.
Buti nga you didn't develop an accent from staying in Canada eh.
Not really, no. Because like I said, a lot of Asians, so yeah, like a lot of people has an accent there too. Like
Even the Asians have accents.
yeah, some yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah. Like not everyone there has like the Canadian accent or like yeah, not everyone.
Di ba Canadians, they say some stuff weird like
They have
about is like about.
some yeah.
Yeah.
Actually. Yeah.
About.
Yeah.
But their first language, Canadians, English.
English, yes.
Even here, it's like almost a first language. Here.
Yeah.
You need to know how to speak.
Diba,
English.
everyone in their school, we all speak English.
Yeah, dude. No one speaks
Actually, no one speaks
Filipino.
Filipino.
If you speak Filipino, everyone's gonna be like, Kanto.
Kanto.
Kanto ka.
I know, yeah. Yeah. I guess Philippines very Americanized after all.
Yeah, we're westernized. Like,
Yeah.
even in modeling, they prefer the look that's like foreigner. Yeah, they love like Russians, Brazilians.
I didn't really expect that, actually.
Yeah, in the modeling world, they're biased towards those races.